na me ko baby na o mo kan Canada Japan ni we me nam say munnim Canada Japan na munnim no me ni no me da adwuma 15 years mo enipa bi ya mo so mo yes ade no munnim nipa na mo ya de sa no edurumra bi a mo me nse hye ne nka nokre hwe won
Ebusian aha Ghana FM TV GH mesero like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime video be this away, you upload ya osambe can be.
Onemu na fa koto to the sea or heaven. Abia Lucifer. Sorry ye. Na afei abafo na wosoro ho no owura awumu. Ento oba no wone ma hia no aka kire mo se mo hu akwan a agya Nyankopɔn ne ba Yesu Kristo de mo fa so. Omo didi amen omo ti baabi a hoye kama wo wo bibia ana omo sisimo enti Nyankopɔn ne ba Yesu no wo mo nnomo wo mo sisimo enti mo ma yenso yampre ni anyi tumi no na ye ba me be ye panina me de mehwe mo ama de Yesu no ne papa Nyankopɔn no enjoy no mo nso ma enjoy bi the same suban ana Canada Japan wafa ena na chitafo nyina so afa Bible ni se moma no nyam nwa e se Satan ankasa timi dan ne ho se han bofo enti na chidifo ye bia enye nwanwa enti dia afredo bin ye enye me nwanwa because omo kodem no makotena se momia pasma ye bekwa koka ne dia good doctor ba omia ne team no fi ne dia twe MPP fo adwene ba yenso na mo amosime ya Christopher a ninti no obi se ona ye Kristo ni muntu abama no sa o kenkan Bible la hu se Canada Japan ani na achidifo no aya bonsam ni na pamfo no a wo mo akwatwe aso abofo mu 1/3 edi begu asase we so a o mani tutuka o nsem no afro ben adan ana adwembone ewo mutimu sa se yanka asem a ebese nipa but there be America so MPP delegate we MPP ni a woto aba now tra ho ama Canada Japan ani ni team ado omo na ada we be dada o na wonso di o machi agina no so koto aba ma wo omo announce wa adwini sa because we aban ba obi a opposition a odi anya bia akura wo small corner ho no a wo hye no kakra be kan wontumi ni obi a ye minister nyepe ontimi no obi oye CEO nyepe nyame sa na obo onipa Canada Japan me say MPP ni bie no a wanya contract wo Ghana hasin Canada Japan say no de ma wo wona woti ho no a wo gye wani mu eka asem no kire wo a wo bo nsem no how many times and of course be this cat obotom how many times and of friend no a ofa ye woni udi nkomo enso ene ye beto aba o waya no ho se han bofo enu abegina wanim enu ode ne ketere ma akobo sikirem enu o kan dokodoko sama kirewo e ma wo bagi adi me na mi ko baby na o mo kan Canada Japan ni we me nam say munnim Canada Japan na munnim no mi ni no me da adwuma 15 years mo edipa bi ya mo so mo yes ade no munnim nipa na mo ya de sa no edurumra bi a mo me nse hye ne nka nokre hwe won na se oba na wo delegate ani mo MPP for ya be fa mo adwuma ni ya hwemo na ne security ene ne driver akro tu mo ka 3000 as at 2020 na the workers ebiji 200 300 400 baby anam what the highest paid presenter no wadwuma mo as at 2020 no the 1000 cedis.
I'm so disappointed about President Mahama. And I will say it without any fear. I thought his second coming is to set Ghana. After all, you've gotten all what you want in politics. Give us that peace of mind, at least. That the water we are drinking, the water we have, when we open our taps at home, the water that we have, at least we can trust that at least for nothing at all is wholesome. What are we witnessing now? That the amount of money we are getting from gold is supporting the economy. This statement made me feel sad than anything. Mr. President, he's not only selling gold, he's selling people organs. He's selling children and people organs. It's simply stated. Because for me, we have the opportunity now. The president have the opportunity now to redeem us. Look, gone are the days when you go to the villages, when they are going to their farms. Who are you to carry water from home to your farms? Like how? Because we have water bodies that are clean. Now people go to farms with this so-called pure sachet water. You meet somebody going to farm and they have this sachet water in their to farms. So I know that they can do better. But for the sake of the generation, for the sake of our case, they shouldn't focus on the profit margin they are getting from gold. No. They shouldn't. No matter, you can look, if the previous government have even issued lances of whatever, with the power in president, you can just cancel everything. Just call for state of emergency on all water bodies. Let's have another review because proper mining can be done. Look, the level of mercury in our water bodies and in our farmland is getting worse every day. And you think it's a political issue? You think we must put on political color before we can defend it? No. I wish people would listen to most of the radio stations and the television discussions during the days. And now the agenda has become like state of emergency in our water bodies. And I think the people they've done enough. If the president will listen, that's fine. For me, I believe he doesn't have the political will. That is the main problem. If you don't have it, it doesn't matter how much amount of demonstration, how much amount of word the people will say, you still insist that we are getting enough gold, we are getting enough money to back in the economy. So hell to people who are saying state of emergency. Because amazingly, that's what I'm saying. Those who if you give any of the political appointees platform today, they will tell you we've not exhausted all our measures yet. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? It's sad. Currently, go to most of our agric or farm zones. The rainfall pattern. I was at Kenya Sea where Newmont mines operate. Look, I felt so sad. Food. Gone are the days when you go around Gosu, Kenya Sea, Ahavu area. Food used to be so cheap. Foodstuffs. Now go and see. Go and see. They've come alongside to Sunyani. And look, everything around that environment now is expensive. I believe a time has come, the government has to pull up, let the people, because you have the power, let the people know that no, enough is enough. At least 8-9 months, they've gotten enough.
Everyone for Ghana TV mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime video we upload there some can be. Everyone for honorable could you to a black was say there. A week be a name our yankan nenkan asem. Just say week no bana yankan asema. Week no it won't end. They say honorable could you to say I say okuseku. Okuseku so I say in there. So minimum, but minimum kuseku something that is bad. They say okuseku ni pamu. Yes sir. Yo. For and he say but kaya bra NDC now more opposition. Okuje to a black one babakwa all criticize the government no easy. They be a Kujeto assembly kafa government. They be a assembly kafa government. They be a assembly kafa government. Let me say, okay. But as in some no na nyama like I say aban extended to Kujeto ni constituency. Na aban no still na kufa aban na omoye. Na omoye development or Kujeto constituency. Ebra drip equipment no buy. Akufado anka se Kujeto debia oka semponi fa me honti me manebi debi Kujeto Akufado ni ba omia omudi Kujeto constituency de man. Kujeto ono anka sanso na ye na oye ranking Foreign Affairs Committee of Parliament so and all those things privileges that are given to ranking na Kujeto obi na ebusian for NDC aban mu se no honorable Kujeto ablakwa or the ono anipe se the punishing crofo of feel say omaka nasem and I say people who are criticizing him in the public domain. Anything MP bakwa or deputy ranking or Foreign Affairs Committee so see Busumifri MP. And like I say oko US at the ongoing UN General Assembly. Now it has been the norm. Papa no koroko do airport honum no. You see, on to me ko. On to me ko se saying. You see, minister na ye Kujeto ablakwa no we yi ni din every listening. Adentia, sounds like papa no. Organize a press conference at the Kujeto. Ni say na oye juma, say oye jumas Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ubzanvo. Say obi oga aman we mu. Ane we be fu say can asem o press ma. Kujeto ablakwa. Kujeto ablakwa o. Kujeto ablakwa. Oh no. Asem ben if in